Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's see ano yung energies ng inyong love life ngayong September 2026. This is a general reading. So, pwede kayong makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay. Gemini, what's the energy ng inyong love life ngayong September? Forgiveness. Oh, meron kayo patatawarin. Sabi dito, nothing is gained by holding on to past disappointments. Pwedeng merong hihingi ng tawad sa inyo or kayo yung hihingi ng tawad sa isang person na naka-relationship niyo. This is also part ng healing process ninyo. Maaring hindi iba, no? Pwedeng ikaw mismo patatawarin mo yung sarili mo sa mga bad decisions mo pagdating sa relationship. Kasi minsan, no, tayo mismo kalaban natin yung sarili natin na sinisisi natin, bakit kasi ganito, bakit kasi ganun. Bakit kasi pinatulong ko yun, bakit kasi nagpakatanga ko, mga ganun. So, you are going to forgive yourself. Kasi dyan ka makakapag-heal. Meron kang awareness and acceptance na nagkamali ka. Passion. Keep the flame of passion alive. It's the heartbeat of love. Oh, okay. When it comes to relationship, importante sa'yo that you are passionate sa person that you're dealing with. Hindi lang dahil nakakatawa siya, hindi lang dahil magandang itsura niya, maganda katawan niya. It's about what you really love and want from that person. Uy, may friendship oh. Maaring you are connecting with someone na merong foundation. Friendship, yung foundation ng inyong relationship. So, pwedeng meron kang, yung iba hindi romantic connection. Pwedeng may patatawarin ka na kaibigan na nagkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, some issues in the past. Para lang makamove on na kayo pareho. Okay, let's see what else. In a relationship, Two of Swords. Meron kang kailangang piliin. It's either, two situation na pipiliin mo. Pwedeng dalawang tao or direction na tatahakin mo sa love life mo. You have the King of Swords. I think you are becoming more practical pagdating sa relationship. If you're in a relationship right now, you want a partner na merong plano para sa inyong future. Kasi kung wala tong plano, maaring pinag-iisipan mo na kung ano ang gagawin mo, kung magsistay ka ba dyan or hindi. You have the Ace of Pentacles. I think, if you are in a relationship right now, ang gusto mo sa person mo is yung meron siyang stability. Hindi naman kailangan na well-off yung buhay niya, mayaman agad. You just want someone na may pangarap. Okay? Dahil yun yung syempre kailangan may pangarap kayo pareho para may patunguhan yung relationship nyo. Diba? Maaring yung iba sa inyo, you are starting a connection, no? Bago pa lang yung relationship na to. And iniisip mo kung ito ba ay gusto mo talaga dahil mahal mo or gusto mo dahil mas magiging secure yung buhay mo sa kanya. Okay, mga single dyan, Queen of Swords. Parang yung iba sa inyo, mas lalabas kayo ngayon. You will socialize. Ready ka na. Ready ka na to mingle. And then, I think, you've waited for so long for an opportunity. But I think, ito na yon. Ito na yung time na you are preparing yourself for a romantic connection. You've been taking care of yourself, kumbaga matagal mong inalagaan yung sarili mo, nakapag-heal ka na, and this time, you are ready to meet someone. Pwede ring merong close friend ngayon na hindi mo inaasahan na maaring kayo ay magkaroon ng romantic connection. Pwedeng nung una iniiwasan mo 'tong person na 'to, but eventually you realize na itong person na 'to ay laging nandiyan sa tabi mo, and you realize na naghahanap ka sa malayo, malapit lang pala sa'yo, o 'di ba? But of course, these are general reading, hindi naman 'yan mag-a-apply sa lahat. But if you're single, I think someone is coming. Like someone new is entering your life, and I think this is someone na you've been waiting for. Yes. This can be a Sagittarius o kaya uh, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and a Cancer. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.